Good afternoon, students. We are meeting here after 2 or 3 days, and we were going through the lesson 1 of your English grammar. This lesson 1 was based on the sentence. As you know now that a sentence will always begin with a capital letter and it will end with a full stop if it is an assertive sentence. But if the sentence is interrogative, then we have to put sign of interrogation, that is question mark. But if a sentence is exclamatory, then we have to put sign of exclamation at the end of sentence. And now you have been given to understand these things, like a sentence has got this verb. Verb is the important part of the sentence, and now this sentence has been divided into 4 categories for you all to understand. If anyone asks you that how many sentences are there, you should tell them that there are 4 kinds of a sentence. What are those kinds? Then you have to tell it: assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. And after telling all this, you should give one sentence example of each kind. Like assertive sentence carries meaning or it states some facts. So you should define with an example, like the sun rises in the east. It is an assertive sentence. I have many friends. It is an assertive sentence. Interrogative for what does your father do? What is your name? Where do you live? These all will be interrogative sentences. Imperative sentences like come here, go there, do this, do that, switch off the light, switch on the light. Like that you should, if you command something, and if at all you advise someone that you go to meet your neighbor, see the doctor, inform the police, these all sentences will come in exclamatory sentences. And lastly, the 4th one is coming up, that is exclamatory sentences, which states here sentences which express some strong sudden feeling, such as that of surprise, joy, or this emotion are called exclamatory sentences. Here some sentences are also given to you all to understand it. A sentence that expresses any strong emotion or feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Now you have to do this. Previously, in my previous class, we have done 2 exercises before. This one and this one. And now today we will be doing. We have to punctuate it well, and then we should, you can say, put those sentences in the proper order. Here it was these sentences. A part is imperative sentence. So you see that don't talk loudly, I am sleepy. It was just jumbled up, but I have corrected it in a proper form to make a meaningful sentence. Like the second one is, please help me to carry this box. Like, please allow pass to me. Like, do not go too near to the cages, or behave yourself. These all are imperative sentences. It expresses some command, order, request. And below to this you find these exclamatory sentences coming up. What an interesting story it was. Alas, what a tragic end. May you soon be well. Oh no, we lost the match. How hot it is. How beautiful she looked in her wedding dress. How generous of you. Like this I have done these 2 exercises for you all. This part is not a big thing for you. Please let me ride your bicycle. It is request. So R will come here. Could you tell me the way to station? This is question. So Q will be here. Do not disturb the patient. It is an advice. So Ashoka was a great emperor. It is a sentence as Mount Everest is the highest peak. So that way you should do. In order to finish it, you have to make sentence here. That you will learn later class, and then next class we will be starting this subject and predicate part after finishing this part. Okay? Nice, well copied. Hope see you best in your best form tomorrow. Okay? Bye.